Check out this 19-gallon rattan laundry basket. So when it arrived, it was actually flattened, and I was like, how are we going to turn this into a laundry basket? So check this out. This one was sent for my review, and so it's really neat because you have these like metal pieces right here, and these honestly just sit right on the top here. You do have two handles here on the side, and the metal pieces don't get in the way. You can still grab this and go if you need to. And then on the bottom here, you just have this rounded piece, and it was so simple. You just push this straight down to the bottom, and as you can see, there are like these little like metal like hooks right here. So this is going to stop it from pushing out, which is really great. And then you do have this massive laundry bag that also has handles. So at first, I thought this was going to get like hooked inside, but I love that it doesn't, because so this just folds over the sides here, and then you throw in your laundry. As I said, 19 gallons. And then if you need to take it, you can just grab it and go if you're going to a laundromat, or if you're bringing this into the laundry room, so you don't have to actually bring the whole thing with you. It also comes with two of the mesh laundry bags. Love using these for like my undergarments, just because so things don't get tangled in them. I think this is great. Put them in here. These go directly into the washing machine, which is nice. So yeah, I really like the color. It does come into, this is like the natural looking color, but it does come in other colors like a black and a gray. You can also get larger sizes. I believe they have like a 29-gallon and then like a 32-gallon or something like that. So yeah, super nice laundry basket, and I just can't get over how massive it is.